Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your WCoin with OKX wallet. So a lot of people been asking me on how to do this. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so please, before we start this video, if you know you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to show you the step by step now. So as you can see, when you look down here where the task is, down here you touch where the tax is. When you touch where the tax is, you're gonna see this. The first one is OKX, that is where to do the tax, OKX. And we have active here, and we have completed the tax that you are done with. All right, so we are going to do the OKS one. As you can see here, I'm done. We have 3 tags in here. We have follow OKS on Instagram. You have to go to Instagram and follow OKX. The second one is join OKS news channel. So you join OKS news channel on Telegram. The first one here is complete OKS campaign, which is 2. When you touch it like this, it's gonna show you this. So as you can see here, we have, they said complete the OKS campaign steps listed on the page and enter your account user ID. So what you need from your OKX is your user ID. All right, you need your user ID, and this is where to put your user ID in here, this space. All right, as you can see, this is where to put your user ID. All right, so what you are going to do now, if you know you have OKS, you already have one, so you just need to go and open your OKX. So as you can see, here is your OKX. The OKX is loading. As you can see, here is your OKX. So one thing about OKX that we are facing, most especially the people that are from Nigeria, we don't have access to OKX exchanger at the moment. We only have access to the wallet, and the wallet doesn't have a user ID. So for those who are not living in Nigeria, and my subscribers that are not from Nigeria, I'm going to show you how to do this. All right, so as you can see here, I'm from Nigeria. I won't be able to do the connection between my OKX. I have to wait until they brought another or a different way of to do the connection. So what you are going to do exactly is you just need to go to, I'm going to give you an example using my Bybit, because I can get access to the user ID here. So I'm going to my Bybit. I'm going to open my Bybit in here. I'm going to show you where to get your user ID. All right, it's almost the same. All right, so what you are going to do is just directly go to your profile, where your profile is at. You touch where your profile is at, look up there. As you can see down next to your profile, you see user ID, UID. This is exactly how to get it. Then you touch copy like this. When you touch copy like this, as you can see, I have copied my user ID successfully. If you have OKX, you are going to do the same with your OKX. All right, I'm just giving you an example here because OKX doesn't work in Nigeria. All right, so let's head back to where our Telegram is. Then we open our Telegram like this. We need to open the WCoin again one more time, and then you need to go there where that space is, and you need to go there and paste your user ID in there so you can do the connection. All right, so we are doing the same here. When you touch it like this, you touch where user ID is like this, then you paste it. Paste. You see, after you finish pasting it in here, then you just check in here, then you put check. As you can see, it's an invalid code because this is not from OKX. All right, but if it is from OKX, it's going to check and it is going to validate. Then you touch next here, down here. All right, as you can see, it's not going to work because we didn't do it correctly. All right, so this is how to do it. It's as easy as that. All right, so if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I will be updating you back to back on anything important. All right,